Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best girls' backpack galaxy, the Fenrici Large Kids Backpack. If you're searching for a backpack that combines style, durability, and functionality, this might just be the one for you. Starting with its design, the Fenrici Galaxy Backpack is perfect for boys and girls aged 6 and up who love space-themed accessories. Its vibrant galaxy purple color and cool space patterns make it stand out in a crowd. Measuring 18 inches high, 13 inches wide, and 9 inches deep, it's sized perfectly to carry folders, books, and school supplies. This makes it ideal for elementary and middle school students. One of the key features is its rugged construction. Made from 900 denier polyester with a reinforced bottom, this backpack is tougher than many others on the market, which typically use 600 denier fabric. That means it's built to handle daily school wear and tear, making it a durable choice that parents and kids can trust to last through the school years. When it comes to organization, this backpack really shines. It offers 10 compartments, including 2 roomy main compartments, 5 interior pockets, a snack pouch, a zip ID pocket, and deep mesh holders on the sides for water bottles or extra gear. This means kids can keep their school items neatly organized and easy to access throughout the day. Tech-friendly features are also a big part of this backpack's appeal. It has a padded sleeve designed to fit laptops up to 17 inches, complete with a Velcro closure to keep devices safe and secure. This provides 360-degree laptop protection, which is quite impressive for a kid's backpack. Comfort is clearly a priority in the design. The shoulder straps are plush and made from 10 centimeters of mesh padding, helping to relieve pressure on little shoulders. The full back padding adds extra support, and the reinforced top handle makes it easy to grab and carry. These features ensure that growing kids can carry their backpacks comfortably, even when fully loaded. Fenrici also stands behind the quality of their hardware with a promise against broken zippers. If a zipper fails, they offer support to fix it, giving an added layer of confidence for buyers. Beyond just the backpack itself, the brand's mission adds meaning to your purchase. A portion of every sale goes to support research and education for rare pediatric diseases through the nonprofit Global Genes. So, buying this backpack also helps a greater cause. To sum it up, the Fenrici Large Kids Backpack offers a durable, tech-friendly, and highly organized option wrapped in a fun galaxy design that kids will love. It's a strong contender for the best backpack for school-aged children who need both style and function. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you next time.